Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 tips that can help you achieve financial success and become a rich person. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to enhance your financial strategies, these tips are designed to guide you towards your goals. So, let's get started. Number 10, give back and practice gratitude. Remember to give back to your community and practice gratitude for your achievements. Sharing your wealth and helping others not only makes a positive impact but also enriches your life in meaningful ways. Number 9, stay persistent and patient. Achieving financial success takes time and effort. Stay persistent in pursuing your goals, even during setbacks or economic downturns. Patience is key when it comes to investing and building long-term wealth. Number 8, network and build relationships. Networking is valuable for both personal and professional growth. Build relationships with mentors, industry peers, and potential business partners. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and insights into wealth-building strategies. Number 7, build multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources reduces dependency and increases financial stability. Explore opportunities for passive income through investments, rental properties, or online ventures. Multiple income streams can accelerate wealth accumulation. Number 6, manage debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, but it's essential to manage it wisely. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt like credit cards and loans. Use debt strategically for investments that have the potential to generate returns, such as education or real estate. Number 5, educate yourself continuously. Knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Educate yourself about personal finance topics such as budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Number 4, increase your income. Find ways to increase your income, whether through advancing your career, starting a side hustle, or investing in education and skills development. Multiple income streams can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Number 3, invest wisely. Investing is essential for building wealth. Consider diversified investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Start early and stay informed about market trends to make smart investment decisions. Number 2, create a budget and stick to it. Budgeting is key to managing your money effectively. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes each month. Allocate funds for savings and investments to ensure you're building wealth over time. Number 1, set clear financial goals. The first step to becoming wealthy is setting clear financial goals. Define what wealth means to you and create a plan to achieve it. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, having specific goals gives you direction and motivation. Thank you for watching. Implement these tips into your financial strategy and take steps towards becoming a rich person. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. See you next time.